Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laurel, and if you're new here, then be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and every Sunday, so be sure to push that post notification button on the side so you get notified whenever I post. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about my summer travel essentials. Basically, everything that I use and need for my summer vacation. I am fully vaccinated and I will be going to Florida this Saturday. It's currently Saturday when I'm filming this, so I'll be there in 1 week, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite essentials when I am going traveling. I do travel usually like once or twice every year. Obviously last year I couldn't travel, so this year I'm traveling to 3 different places. I already went to Maine, and this month I'm going to Florida, and then next month I am going to Aruba with my family. So I thought I would just share with you guys some of my favorite things to bring on my carry-on, because most of the time I travel with just a carry-on and a personal bag, which is my backpack. And if you want to see a pack with me video, I will be showing you guys that video on Sunday, so be sure to check that out for my pack with me to Florida trip. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing that I want to talk about is this baby right here. This is a hanging toiletry bag. This is so freaking handy, and it fits everything that you possibly need. I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But this was just like the flamingo pattern. I really didn't care which pattern it was. I think this was the cheapest one, so I picked that one. But let me just show you how much stuff you can fit in this thing. So right here, it comes as a hook, so you can hook it in your hotel bathroom. And it has everything you can possibly fit. In this compartment right here is just all of my liquids, like my shampoos, my conditioner, my lotion, my cleanser, anything liquid or anything that I use for the bath. I have a razor, a couple makeup wipes, a little travel size perfume. It just fits like all the bigger items in this little compartment. And then this second one right here, I just have like my toothbrush, my toothpaste. I have a couple booby tapes in the back, and then some like hair ties. These 2 compartments right here, I store some of my makeup products, like my mascara, my lip balm, another liquid product. So all of my liquids, basically like my liquids and my creams, go in this toiletry bag, just because I know I will be reaching out for this when I am in the bathroom getting ready. So everything is in here all ready for me to just take out right away. And then this little like pouch right here, I store some band-aids, some eye drops, and then the cotton swabs. And then there's another compartment behind this little middle area here, and it's just a zipper, so I keep my makeup wipes in there. But you can just fit so many things in this thing. It just folds right up, and you just zip it up, and you can put it right into your carry-on bag. The next thing that I want to talk about are these clear bags right here. They come as a set of 3, and I got it from TJ Maxx, but I'm pretty sure you can find this on Amazon. But I actually use this for all different reasons. So the middle bag is where I store like my underwear. This bigger bag, I'm actually storing my bathing suits inside, so it's really, really handy and just keeps everything just organized for me. And then the smaller one, I just keep all of my technology stuff. So I have my portable charger, my wireless headphones, and of course my iPhone charger inside. So again, nice and clear, easy for me to just see inside my carry-on bag. And then I also have this little clear one right here. I'm not sure where I got it from. It's a similar concept. It's clear, and this is where I actually store my main makeup items, so like all of my powder items. I don't have any creams in here, but I like to store all of my makeup items in here, like my brushes, my powders, eyeshadow. And then I also have my face cloth in here, just so when I wash my face in the hotel, I like to bring my own face cloth. But yeah, for makeup, I like to store it in a clear bag just so I can see everything that I need and I'm not like digging into things. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is a travel blanket. This is a portable blanket that you can carry with you to the airplane. It has its own little like blanket pouch, which is really cute, and it slips right into the back of your carry-on, so you can just slip it right in. You know, obviously this isn't one of your super comfortable and cozy blankets. This is kind of just a really thinner material and just easy for you to just throw over yourself in the plane if you feel a little chilly, because I know those airplane rides are freaking freezing sometimes. I love this. I got this from TJ Maxx. They have so many different colors, and I just got this one. I really like just plain and simple black. So the next thing that I want to talk about are these two right here. These are super essential whenever I am traveling. They just keep everything in place and I just feel so much more organized. And these are probably the most important things, so I like to always keep this in my personal bag. But this is just a passport holder. It's really cute. It's like a patent leather, like black and gold one. I got this from TJ Maxx and it came as like a duo. This one is a tag for your luggage. You know, you can write your personal information and stuff like that, just in case someone accidentally takes your luggage, or, you know, God forbid anything happens to your luggage, all of your information is written down here. And then for the passport holder, you can actually put your license in here and a couple cards, and of course your passport. And I also put in my vaccination card like on the slip right here. It just fits perfectly, and again, this is just so thin and easy to just throw into any of my bags. I want to keep it beside me like at all times whenever I'm going anywhere. And then the next thing that I want to talk about is another toiletry bag. This one is a lot smaller and I actually like to keep this in my personal bag, which is my backpack. This one I just like to keep all of my necessities. Again, I just want to be organized and have everything in one place. So for this one, I just have like some gum, little soap here, tissues, I have emergency packets, oil blotting sheets, I have a hairbrush, a first aid kit, and like a lint roller, just like random necessities that I might need like on hand. I like to keep this in my personal bag just so I just have everything and it's reachable for me and I don't have to like dig into my carry-on when I'm on the plane. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is probably one of my favorite things, and I just recently got this about a month or so. It is a little mini jewelry holder. It's super cute and compact. Again, I'm gonna be putting this in my personal bag, but look how cute it is. This is from Amazon. It's like a beigey gray color, and it's the mini size because I really didn't need the bigger one. So this side is actually for like earring studs or something, but I just decided to put in my bracelets that I'm gonna be using. And then this right here is all of the rings that you can put. In this mini section, it just has the necklaces here. So I just have 3 that I know I'll be wearing. There's a little pouch on the side, so I like to keep like small little hair clip and then all of my earrings, like my hoops and everything. And this is just so cute. It fits everything that I need. And I honestly don't really wear that much jewelry when I'm on vacation. I mostly wear rings and just a couple earrings and stuff. Just thought, you know, why not, in case like we're going out to dinner or something, I want to bring a cute necklace and some bracelets with me. So it's super cute and everything just rolls in place, and it's really handy if you love to wear jewelry whenever you're traveling. The next thing that I want to talk about is this one right here. It's not blown up yet, but it is a memory foam neck pillow, and it actually comes as like a pack. I just got this like 2 days ago because I lost my neck pillow. I got this off of Amazon for, I think it was like $18. This is what it looks like. You obviously have to like blow it up and stuff like that, but it also comes with an eye mask and it also comes with earplugs, so this is perfect for travel, and comes on a little pouch, so it really doesn't take that much space. I'm gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it's comfortable on my neck. Travel pillows are a must. I feel like that's always an essential, especially if you like to take naps on the plane. I personally do because I don't like going on a plane, so as much as possible I will sleep through it. Okay, another travel essential for me is actually this water bottle right here. I'll show it on the screen because I can't find it anywhere, but I used to bring this whenever I would go traveling, especially international travel. It is the Brita filtered water bottle. It has a built-in filter right on the straw. I love it because you can just open up the sink, pour in the tap water, and it'll just filter right through. Such a bummer because I don't know where it is. I can't find it. I think the last time I saw it was during my trip to Thailand, and that was like 2 years ago, so I hope I didn't lose it, because then I might have to get a new one, and it's like $24 on Amazon, which is a bit pricey for a water bottle for me, so I'll keep looking. But yeah, definitely one of my travel essentials. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Okay, another essential of mine are these right here. I haven't put my clothes in it yet. These are just huge plastic containers that you actually put your clothes in and then you roll. So it creates so much more space in your carry-on bag. I haven't put my clothes in yet because I will be doing a pack with me video. These are super handy, especially if you like some extra space into your carry-on bag or your luggage. I also got these from TJ Maxx. They're quite affordable and they have so many different brands, so it's really up to you. But I think I got like the large size so I could just stuff in as much clothes on each bag. It comes with 4 bags, so you can fit a lot of stuff in these roll-on plastic bag. Okay, the next thing that I just have to have whenever I'm traveling is a little side purse. This is from TJ Maxx. It's black. Pretty sure this was from the gym section because it's just really thin. These are super handy. Obviously, you can keep all of your important stuff, your cash, your credit card, your ID, passport, keys, phone, and it just goes right on your waist. Now your hands free, and it's really handy. I feel like it just provides safety, and you can keep everything right in front of you, and you don't have to worry about anyone trying to steal or pickpocket you. So love having this whenever I'm traveling. Okay, and then the last travel essentials for me are these right here. These are just like skincare beauty essentials, I guess you could say. These two right here are disposable pillowcases. They're clean, they're hypoallergenic, and they are vacuum sealed, so they fit perfectly inside your bag. And these were quite affordable. I got this from like a Japanese dollar store called Daiso. I just love throwing this inside my carry-on bag because they're just so thin and just easy, and you can just dispose of them after you're done. The next thing that I have here is also from that Japanese store, and these are travel disposable toilet seat covers. I hate using public restrooms, but you know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. And these are super handy. I believe they came in like a pack of 50, so they come in these little slips. I like to carry a couple of them inside my bag, and of course whenever I travel, they're just super easy to throw into a purse. These are compact, portable, they're sanitary, and they're clean. And the last thing I want to mention are some face masks. So these are just an example of some face masks. This is from Rue Skincare, but I love to bring face masks with me, especially when I'm on an airplane, because your skin can just feel super drying. Love throwing this inside my bag. Again, super thin, just really handy to throw into your personal bag. And I always end up using my face mask whenever I'm on an airplane because it really just like soaks in and just melts into the skin. Like that's how dry my skin gets on an airplane. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for all of my summer travel essentials. I feel like I'm gonna gradually build up more and more as time goes because I only have a couple travel essentials with me, and I love to travel. I really wanted to travel a lot more, especially during my 20s, but obviously the pandemic happened and there's still a lot of restrictions around, so I want to keep myself safe. And I don't want to travel to the places I really want to travel to just yet, but I'm pretty sure my essentials will soon expand later in life. But these are just the current ones that I have with me that have worked for me and that I still continue to use every single year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll have everything linked down below if I could find similar pieces. I think that's pretty much it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at Laurel if you're interested in checking out my Florida trip. I'm pretty sure I will be very active on my stories there. Also check out my website shopinDreamland.com, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye!